Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand mockups in Adobe Dimension from Photoshop, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your brand mockups in Adobe Dimension from Photoshop, start by opening Adobe Photoshop. Locate the brand mockup file you would like to work on. Open the file and make any necessary adjustments to the design or elements. Once done, ensure all your layers are organized. Select the layers that you want to include in the mockup. Navigate to the top menu and click on File, then select Export As. Choose the format that suits your needs, such as PNG or JPEG. Make sure to select Transparent Background if needed, then click Export. Choose a destination folder and name your file. Now, open Adobe Dimension and import your brand mockup template. You can do this by dragging the file into the Dimension workspace or using the Import option. Once your template is open, go to the Assets panel. Click on Add Asset and navigate to where you saved your file from Photoshop. Select the file and click Open. Dimension will import your design as a texture, ready to be applied. Now, drag the newly imported texture onto the corresponding surface of your mockup. Make adjustments to the scale, rotation, and position as needed. Fine-tune the appearance by adjusting the material properties within Dimension. You can also create lighting effects to enhance the mockup. Check your mockup from different angles in the 3D space. Once satisfied, go to Render to finalize the mockup. Select your preferred render settings and click on Render. Wait for the process to complete, and then review your finished product. Finally, save your render to your desired format. You've now successfully restored your brand mockups using Adobe Dimension from Photoshop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.